Now, with the help of this AI tool, you can convert your document in any language you want. Suppose you have Russian language of document and you want to convert into in English. So you can simply convert it. And this is 100% free document converter. So this is amazing, guys. It will take hardly 10 seconds and they will convert 100 pages of document in your instructed language. So this is the power of AI. So let's start the video. So come to this website, onlinetranslator.com. I have given the link in the description. Here you will have to upload your file. Just upload the file and click on translate. And the document will be automatically downloaded. And you will have to wait for 10 to 15 seconds. It came. See, it came. Download your translated document. Just click on download and the document will be downloaded. See, it has started downloading. So it's so easy, guys. Let me show you. This document was in Hindi and they have converted into English. You can see the result. This is unbelievable. So this is 100% free document converter. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day. All the best.